Welcome. This is part of loan limits. No, this is part of loan terminology. You understand? You're studying loan terminology with me, and this topic is loan limits. If you're considering taking out a loan, understanding loan limits is crucial. So stick with me, and I'll tell you what it means. Loan limit is the maximum amount the lender is willing to lend to a borrower. You could have someone gives you 100,000, someone else offer you 150,000, which is preposterous because we don't get that much offered to us. A loan limit can vary depending on the type of the loan, the lender, and the borrower's creditworthiness. So if you have 700 to 800 credit score, you're likely to get 50k offered to you or even more. But if you have 20, you would be lucky to get a penny from the bank, if that. Credit type of loan limits. Federal student loan limits. The federal government sets limits on the amount of student loans that a borrower can take out. Confirming loan limits. These are limits set by government-sponsored enterprises such as Fannie Mae and Fannie Mac on maximum size of mortgage loan that will purchase from a lender. Private loan limits. Private lenders may have their own limits on the amount they are willing to lend. Impact of loan limits. Loan limits can impact a borrower's ability to borrow the amount of money they need. If the borrower's loan request exceeds the loan limit, they may need to look for alternative funding source or consider borrowing a smaller amount. Conclusion. A loan limit is a maximum amount a lender is willing to lend to a borrower. A loan limit can vary depending on type of the loan, the lender, and the borrower's creditworthiness. The borrower's creditworthiness. Sorry about that. Loan limits can impact a borrower's credit ability to borrow the amount of money they need and may require them to look for alternative funding sources. If you found this video useful, I know I did. I'm studying a bit more, but how about that like button? Do it for more.